Hello everyone, I am Dattatranikam. Welcome you all on our channel eFunda for new day, new topic. And our today's topic is electrical design and detail engineering part 24. And if you are new to our channel, then please visit to our channel eFunda and watch all the videos created related to various topics of engineering, fundamentals, project and career, telecommunication engineering, instrumentation and control engineering, delivery, procurement engineering, interview related questions, renewable energy and many more. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press bell icon to get the latest notification on upload of our new video on our channel eFunda. So let's begin with our today's topic, that is electrical design.
Electrical design and detail engineering. In this video today we are going to cover the topic related to electrical engineering, where one can see into the picture where all the transmission tower as well as the connecting equipments are shown for transferring electricity from one point to the another point, and it has a various applications. So we are specifically creating this topic related to electrical engineering. In this video we are going to see what is electrical engineering, what are the parts of electrical engineering, and what are the detail and design related activities are being carried out into the field of electrical engineering. So please watch this video till the end so as to understand the entire electric engineering related detail and design activities, so that one can make their career in this field. Introduction to electrical engineering. Electrical engineering is an engineering discipline concerned with the study, design, and application of equipment, devices, and a system which use electricity, electronics, and electromagnetism. It emerged as an identifiable occupation in the latter half of the 19th century after the commercialization of the electric telegraph, the telephone, and electrical power generation distribution and their usage. Electrical engineering is divided into a wide range of different fields, including computer engineering, system engineering, power engineering, telecommunication, radio frequency engineering, signal processing, instrumentation, photovoltaic cells, electronic and optical, and photonics. Many of these disciplines overlap with other engineering branches, spanning a huge number of specialization, including hardware engineering, power electronics, electromagnetics and wave, microwave engineering, nanotechnology, electrochemistry, renewable energies, mechatronics, control, and electrical material and the science. This is how the electrical discipline is a core discipline which interacts with all the multiple discipline so as to have the better communication, coordination, and most importantly the power. Electrical design, the backbone of a modern engineering. Electrical design is a fundamental aspect of a modern engineering as it encompasses the creation, development, and implementation of the electrical systems and the component. In the realm of a modern engineering, electrical design plays a vital role in numerous industries, including electronics and computer product, automotive and transportation, renewable energy and power systems, industrial automation and control systems, telecommunications and communication networks, medical and healthcare technology. An electrical design engineer is responsible for ensuring that electrical systems and components functions efficiently, safely, and in compliance with the industry standards and the regulations. Electrical design and detail engineering. In this we are going to cover the activities and design related aspects are covered under electrical discipline are basic engineering, overview of engineering package, relevant codes and standard, basic design requirement for project, system studies, short circuit, load flow, motor starting, relay coordination, estimation of a plant electrical load, preparation of a load schedule, a determination of a power supply capacity, standby capacity consideration, a rating of a generator, a rating of a motor, development of a single line diagram, types of SLD and their study with legend, detail SLD, lightning system SLD, metering and control diagram, selection and sizing of electrical equipment, emergency generator, transformer and CTPT, neutral grounding resistance, that is NGR, HV, MV, LV, switchgear, HV, MV, LV, capacitor banks, a DC battery and a battery charger, AC UPS and AC DC machines. Hazardous area classification and selection of equipment, zone divisions, classification and relevant codes and standards, types of protection for hazardous area, hazardous source list, preparation and certification of equipment, marking of equipment nameplates, hazardous area drawings and layout preparation, cable selection and sizing and routing, power and cable introduction and cable selection, cable sizing for low voltage system and a high voltage system, lead through energy consideration, earth fault, loop impedance consideration, cable schedule and cable interconnection schedule, selection and sizing of a cable tray schedule, drum schedule, conduct sizing and selection, cable routing layout, illumination design and calculation. These are the various activities are required to perform under electrical design and detail engineering, and further we will be taking complete deliverable and their application, their design aspects and many other points related to electrical detail and designing. So stay tuned and keep watching our videos related to electrical design and detail engineering related deliverables. With this, we are concluding on our today's topic. Thanks for watching our channel eFunda, where you will get to know the fundamentals. So that is our tagline, get your fundamentals right, where we do identify the needs, then we evaluate the need, then define plan for a particular need, and then accordingly execute the plan. This is what we are creating our technical videos, so that it will help every individual to get their fundamentals right. And if you are new to our channel, then subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press bell icon to get the latest notification on upload of our new video on our channel eFunda. Also, you can follow us on our Instagram page and do follow our Facebook page as well. So keep watching our channel eFunda for new day, new topic.